taking a walk. I might be speaking a little loud because my music is kind of loud. I'm walking because, as you would know, I've been mourning. Not like I didn't literally lose like they're not dead. They're not in my life anymore. They act like I don't exist, and so I don't know why, but I get so nervous, like really anxious when like when we pass each other, and I don't know why, because I don't look at them. They don't look at me. Sometimes I look at them. I just hate it. I hate it. How can you go from caring about someone, dating them, to ignoring them? That's like, I don't understand it. And I wish it didn't exist. Because it is upsetting. And I don't know how you can even do that. Unless they felt disdain for me before. Which I don't understand. Because if you don't, I don't know. I'm stressed. And I'm upset. As much as I would like to say that I'm not upset, I am. And it's impacting me. It's distracting me. It's bringing my mood down. It's making me anxious. I don't know. It's making me procrastinate. I'm trying to make up for the anxiousness and stuff by helping myself procrastinating basically. But I'm trying to show up for myself. I'm trying to help myself. But not by doing schoolwork. So yeah, that's my rant. I hope you all loved it. Also, this is my fit. Have a full fit, a full effect. You know, I don't care if anyone's watching. Converse shirt, shorts, different shoes, really long necklace, beanie, bracelets, rings. Not many rings today, and that's alright. Okay, well, I like to say, okay, if you're feeling down, go outside. It can help a lot. Sorry if you're in winter. Go outside anyways. You don't have to go out for a long time, just do it, do something. Okay, have a great day. Now I'm feeling really happy, so spread positivity. Love yourself. Yeah, that is the wrap up. Have a good one.
If you ever having a bad day, just remember that there's a brighter side. It may not be that day or the next week or the next month or the next year or